How to block a phone number from calling you? Just open your dialer application, just like this. Then you can see there is a lot of numbers and there is a missed call, and that is a spam. So I'm blocking this contact. You can see after touching that contact, there is an option for block number. You can easily block that number, but you cannot unblock that number from here. If you need to unblock, then go to the settings, like tap on three dots, then select settings. Then you can see the first option is block numbers. Open that. Okay, then you can see there is two numbers. You can easily remove that numbers from tapping right side red lines, that minus button. Okay, just tap on it, so automatically remove that number, and also allowing calls from that number. That's it. Very simple settings. Also, you can control block all calls from unknown numbers. That means private numbers and uncalled numbers. And sometimes it will be act like there is you cannot receive any contacts, any any call from numbers if you don't save that. Okay, only if they receive the phone calls from your contact list. So you can easily control that from the block numbers. Okay guys, it's one of the very simple tutorial video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.